Join us today as we explore essential strategies for supply chain resilience. Whether you're a pro, a business owner, or just curious about global commerce, this video is your guide. Discover 7 key priorities to make your supply chain robust and agile. Stay tuned for a more resilient future. Over the past 2 years, businesses and supply chains have faced unprecedented challenges, including supply chain disruptions and a shrinking workforce, creating significant obstacles for many industries. Take the automotive sector, where the semiconductor chip shortage has sent shockwaves throughout the global supply chain landscape. This heightened awareness emphasizes the need for companies to enhance supply chain resilience. But how can they do it? To build a supply chain that's resilient, agile, and ready to handle disruptions, you need to focus on 7 key priorities. Capacity and footprint. Ensure the right balance between manufacturing and distribution capacities and locations to meet customer service levels and control supply chain costs. Product design. Simplify your products by re-engineering them to reduce reliance on at-risk materials or components. Innovate and co-create to capture market share. Organization evolution. Transform your organization to be nimble, accommodating, and competitive, reinventing processes and structures as needed. Reimagine human capital. Embrace new ways of working, upskilling your workforce, implementing automation, deploying workforce technology, and creating new leadership roles to drive transformation and increase retention. Enterprise strategy. Align your corporate strategy with your supply chain strategy to ensure coherence and efficiency. Sector ecosystem. Evaluate the health of your suppliers and their suppliers. Develop alternative sources for critical materials and components, and consider strategic partnerships or alliances to focus on value-added activities. Technology. Utilize modern technologies like supply chain planning solutions, AI, and machine learning to enhance cost and performance analysis in your supply chain. Technology isn't just a priority, it's the foundation. Companies are turning to Oracle Cloud technology to bolster supply chain resilience. Cloud ERPs automate tasks and equip leaders with essential tools for effective business operations. This includes enhance partner communication and collaboration seamlessly. Ensure on-time procurement and production with advanced planning. Prepare for disruptions through scenario planning. Gain a clear view of supply chain activities and performance with out-of-the-box analytics. Disruptions are here to stay and are becoming more challenging. To ensure supply chain resilience, prioritize these 7 strategies and harness the power of technology. At Intelloger, we provide the solutions you need to strengthen your supply chain. Thanks for watching, and we hope this information helps you navigate the unpredictable world of global business. For more information, visit us at www.intelloger.com. Thank you.